Hi, so I wanted to talk about Goosechase. This is new to me. I'm the yearbook advisor. I'm brand new to yearbook and brand new to photography. So, as are most of my staff, I have one returning student. So we've been learning together. I've had a couple of professional photographers come in and talk to us and present some different ways of doing things and some technical things. And then we've been practicing, and I've been assigning scavenger hunts to them via Google Slides so that they were also building a portfolio with concept ideas based on what we were working on that week. This week we're working on evoking the emotion of a picture, that the picture should be universal or communal wide rather than specific to the photographer. So with that said, you would go to goosechase.com. The person who's going to host the scavenger hunt would create an account, and I have done that. And then you can create a game here, or I've set up some games already. So these are the two that I've prepared for the next couple of weeks at school. And this is one that I ran last night with my family just to see how everything works. So you could do a new game. You can launch, they stay draft until you launch them. So you can launch a new one. This is the one that we did last night. And I can go ahead and take it back to reset it to draft and launch it again. While it's going, you can see the missions and you can see what order they're going to go in and what the participants are doing, what their access codes are, etc. And you start and stop the game. When it is live, you can see what's happening as it's going. Now you can see that my husband did not follow directions and did not submit a cat. So that lets me tell you here, I can give bonus points if I particularly liked this picture or if it showed something unique and special. I can copy the link. I can save the photo for our yearbook feed, or I can delete it if it's just not appropriate or not specific to what we were asked to do. So as the pictures are submitted, you can see they show up here, and then at the end we have the results, but it's a leaderboard as it's going. So it's kind of fun, interactive, super easy way to make it a little bit more immediate for everybody. They can see what everybody else is doing, have a little fun, gamify it a little bit. I won't do it very often. I like the idea of helping them build portfolios as well, but this switches things up a little bit and makes it fun. So I hope it works for you. This is the code that you would give them, and then I set up a password on mine to make sure that it stays private and it's just my students. So they would need this to log in and this to access the game then. And that's it. It's really super simple. Give it a go. Thanks.